Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to shoot today's video. Like today I woke up feeling so excited and energetic. Actually, I've run a couple of errands today. I went with my friend to do some review, and after that we went to the market, and like we wasted a lot of time there, but I was rushing to make this video because I knew that I'm doing a 7 days challenge, right? I'm doing a 7 days challenge where we get to post every day. So if you're coming across this video and you want to join this challenge, please do well to join us. All right, let me know on the comment section so that I can come check out your channel. All right, so we are supporting new YouTubers here. So if you're a new YouTuber or you're a small YouTuber, right, please leave your comments on the comment section. Just drop a comment, all right, so that we can connect with you. All right, so in today's video I want to talk about authenticity, right? So I watched a couple of videos. I watched videos from Dash. I've watched from different creators. I've seen lots of advice here on YouTube advising small YouTubers, and I've been trying to also record videos of what I've learned so far and what's working for me so far. That's what I put out on my channel. All right, and also graphics design or video editing, like simple video editing tips and tricks you can include in your video editing, all right, before uploading your videos, just to make your videos more engaging. All right, so but in today's video I'm going to be talking about authenticity. All right, being authentic in front of the camera. I mean, I'm still working on this because I feel like whenever I'm shooting content, I'm recording a content like this, I have to like shift my energy, shift into maybe presenter mode or something like that. Like I have to like change. I want to be like very serious so that people can take my message seriously, you know, something like that. So I do that whenever I'm trying to record a video, and I'm trying to unlearn that. All right, so I'm really big on learning and relearning, you know, getting better generally. All right, getting better. If you know that one thing you're doing is not really working for you, you can try a different approach. All right, so letting your authenticity show is just about your personality. When you're shooting your content, try to let your personality show. All right, or show, you know, the way you carry yourself, what you do on the camera, and the way you pass that message. I've seen on some creators talk about what makes a topic different or makes your video different from another video, even though you people might be talking about the same thing. But what would make one video different from another video is how your viewers see you and feel after watching your videos. How do you want them to feel after watching your video? That is exactly what you're going to work on, and I'm still working on this because I feel like most of the time when I want to record, I feel like I have to shift energy. I have to be so serious, and I'm trying to unlearn that. Right, so let's work on this together. This is what this video is about to get today, and I hope that I've been able to show my personality on this video and make it a little more lively than usually it'll be. All right, so I guess I'm still work in progress, and it's okay. It's okay to not be perfect. All right, and that's another reason why we are doing this 7 days post challenge. So you have to post every day for 7 days, and this is the third day. This is the third day of the challenge, and I'm going to be posting this video right after recording. I don't want to be thinking so much about the video, trying to make a perfect video. I'm not trying to make a perfect video during this challenge. The most important thing and the goal is to get your ideas out there. Just record and post them video. It's okay for you to make mistakes, okay? It's okay. I'm giving myself the grace, and like I'm letting myself to make mistakes, and it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So even if the idea of the video is not perfect, but still post the video. All right, so there are 3 key takeaways from this video, and number 1 is let your personality and authenticity show when you're recording. All right, don't try to switch energy or shift energy like me, or be in a presenter mode, you know. Like I said, I try to be so serious in front of the camera, or whatever you think it is you do when you're in front of the camera that is not like your authentic self. Try to change that. be more comfortable and just let your personality show. Let it flow. Like in this video, I did not even script. Usually I will script my videos and try to, even though I don't try and read out everything, I just talk about the points like that. But in this video, I'm just letting it flow because, you know, I'm trying something new, right? So you can do this too. So the next point is overcome perfectionism. We are not trying to create perfect videos here. So the most important thing is that you record that video and you've gotten to the main point of the video. Share your video, share your ideas, and just post your videos. All right, overcome perfectionism. Don't try to, you know, overthink everything and, you know, try and drag it. That is making you not post as often as you should, or even when you should. And the next point, or key takeaway, which is the last takeaway from this video, is it is okay to make mistakes. All right, even though you've seen that you've made a mistake in a video, just learn from that mistake and do better on the next video. That's all. Give yourself grace and room to make mistakes. All right, so don't be too hard on yourself. It is okay to make mistakes, and if what you're doing is not working for you, try something else. So I hope I've been able to pass this knowledge to you. I'm not trying to make any perfect video. I'm just trying to get my ideas out there, and I want you to do the same. If you've watched this video up until this point, I want to say thank you very much. All right, so you can try and make your own videos too. You can check out my other videos and let me know your thoughts on the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.